Alright, over here, Carlsbad Strawberry Company. Gonna go and pick my own strawberries today. Feel like a farmer. Alright, getting ready to pick my own strawberries today. Very nice. Here we go. Very cool. I'm hiking all the way up here. Go get my strawberries, getting a little workout. My bucket. Here we go. Alright. Getting away from everyone else. Nice. Strawberry plucking, here we come. Alright, looking for the strawberries inside here. There's one. But doesn't look red enough for me. Keep looking. Alright. Looking. I see one right there. It's a nice one. I'll pluck it. There we go. Put it in my bucket. She's picking her strawberries. Nice. I'm out here picking strawberries like my great ancestors used to do. Out here. All right, picking these. Wash these strawberries, they're so juicy and yummy. Such worth the trip. So juicy. Love it. Hey everybody, it's Shaun Michaels, and I just want to let everybody know I had a great time over at the Strawberry Company and Carlsbad. It was really awesome. You should bring some friends and family and bring the kids. I think they would love it. And I just want to let everybody know that my YouTube channel is about my music, of course, but I'm also trying to get into a healthy lifestyle, and with everything going on right now, I think we all need to really focus on our health and have a good, happy life. So I hope you guys can follow my channel. Please subscribe and click on the bell. I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel going up a little bit, so please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye.